Well, hey folks, FGFRC out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. We're going to take up the MPD Commander, my new one, the blue and white one, and we're going to run this time. It's going to be the original Maiden was on a 4S 3200, and as I told you in the assembly, this was going to be the Maiden on a 3S 3200, basically in the same spot as the other one. Maybe just slightly more forward since it is a lighter battery. So anyways, this is the Maiden on a 3S. And originally, when I first saw the release of this plane, I thought, oh, the MPD Commander is great, but you know, that blue and white is going to really bleed out. Well, today is a bright blue sky, and I'm going to have to eat my words. She flies just fine, and I can see her just fine. So, all right. All right. All right. Right, left, up, down, right, left. All right. Well, here we go. I'm going to do takeoff flaps.
Flaps up.
She seems to be very dialed in now, flying actually better on the hands off, flying better on the 3S to me. That probably was just a CG issue.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 4 minutes.
All right, wind has shifted on me. Wind's at my back now. So, I'm gonna land. Yeah, I don't have any problem seeing that plane. No, that blue shows up just fine. They knew what they were doing. Now, I have noticed that when you get this plane down to the ground, she gets down to almost to that ground effect, all of a sudden she'll just pancake on you. So you need to have a little bit of speed. Maintain a little bit of speed. This is not a plane, just like any low wing, this is not a plane that you just let float in. You want to come in with a little bit of power. All right, going kind of into the wind this time. Staying on that rudder, because she does want to torque roll just a little bit. Yeah, I think she's locked in just fine now. Okay, now we're going to land her.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
With no flaps. All right, definitely a difference. That's for sure. Definitely a difference versus flaps versus no flaps. All right. For the second time flying her, I gotta tell you.
Landing flaps.
And the flap mix suggested in the book is perfect. And that is with takeoff flaps, 4% down elevator. With landing flaps, 6% down elevator. And I got to tell you, that mix seems perfect. Now, looking at it on the bench, you almost
Time remaining 2 minutes.
can't see it. Yeah, but you can feel it. If you put your hand on it, you can feel it. All right, we're going to come by nice and slow. Fly by. Just to showcase the slow flight capability. Beautiful plane. Beautiful plane. Yeah, this 3-cell Maiden is going much better. Now, don't get me wrong. The 4-cell Maiden went fine, but it was much windier and didn't quite have the plane. It needed some trim. I ain't gonna lie to you, it needed some trim. All right, got a minute and a half left.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
All right, it's on a 3-cell. Sweet flying plane.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Definitely a sweet flying plane. Really like the way she flies. Actually, I think I like the way she flies. I'll have to fly her again on a 4-cell with conditions like this in order to really make a good determination. All right, floating in with no flaps. I'm just got too much momentum. Now, I've learned that on the 4-cell, heavier battery,
30 seconds.
she doesn't do that well in grass. So let's
Landing flaps.
land her in the grass this time. Well, I'll have to go around.
20 seconds.
Okay. All right, we're gonna land her in the grass this time. Oh, oh. All right, we got just under half.
Flaps up.
With that lighter pack,
Takeoff flaps.
let's see if
7, 6, 5, 4.
let's see if she can take off in the grass. Lighter pack. The 4-cell, she dug in. The 4-cell battery, she dug in too much. This is a lighter pack, 3200 3S. Let's see if I can take off.
3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Oh yeah,
Flaps up.
no problem at all.
Landing flaps.
No problem at all. Just put the landing or takeoff flaps in and be on that elevator to get yourself up out of that grass. We're going to land again in the grass just to show you. Whoa! And folks, that is called taking a bow.
Flaps.
Now, if it went all the way on over, that's taking a bow with style. And by the way, our grass field, very, very pitted, very rough, not good for planes.
Takeoff flaps.
Let's see, how much juice? We still got under half. So let's see if we can still do it. Well, maybe not right through here. Nope. Nope, not gonna do it.
Motor on.
Motor off. Oh boy. Maybe right through here where the grass is a little bit better. Okay. We'll try it here.
Motor on.
All right. We're gonna get it.
Flaps up.
Yeah, if you can get her going.
Landing flaps.
All right. Oh, 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 oh.
Flaps up.
Help me, help me. Well, folks, I'd prove that you can do grass hops, but I suggest the 3-cell Honor lighter pack, and maybe even a 2200 might be the ticket. But you're going to have a short flight, maybe 3.5 minutes at the most. All right, let's take off there.
Landing flaps.
And this time we will land on the runway, coming right at us. Well, there you go, folks.
1 minute over.
1 minute over.
Flaps up.
So 6-minute flight. And to show you, still got just under half, maybe a third of the battery left. So that's good. To show you where I have that 3200 3S. Motor off. And I've got it right there, basically the very end of it, even with the that opening in the firewall there. Well, there you go, folks. That, oh boy, is the E-Flite MPD Commander, the blue and white one. I guess you could say it's the version 2. I am very pleased with it. I'm very glad I got it. And now that I did have some trim issues with her, but then again, I was flying her in pretty heavy wind and with the 4S, and so I need to try it again with the 4S in conditions like this and get a better estimation. But the Maiden on 3S went great. The Maiden on 4S went okay. So that's just me. I'm a little critical of myself. So y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and them planes. Bye-bye.